Creamy, dreamy, and naturally caffeine-free, Ashwagandha Latte is a luxurious beverage mix that is packed with beneficial adaptogenic herbs and designed to nourish your being on the deepest level. Ashwagandha root is a well-known Ayurvedic adaptogen that supports the body's ability to cope with stress. It has a grounding and rejuvenating quality that supports healthy adrenal function, balanced energy, restful sleep, and a calm mind. For a delicious and easy-to-make latte, simply combine 1.5 teaspoons ashwagandha latte with 8 ounces of your favorite milk. Heat gently, stirring well to blend the ingredients into a smooth, creamy texture, then pour directly into your cup. Ashwagandha latte is an utterly satisfying way to nourish your body, mind, and spirit at any time throughout the day. Certified organic, fair for life, fair trade, and sustainably sourced. So go ahead and drink up.